Welcome back to the channel. Donnie D back at you. So today I'm going to talk about this project and so on. What I did here, and not into grave detail, but I'm gonna give you a quick summary and what I did on this project, what it took, and what the client paid me and my company to do this project. Okay. So as far as the scope goes, what I did is I hung all the drywall and I finished it with tape and mud, ready to go for painting. So all sanded down, and I also had to do some adjustments on the subfloor with screws and all that. It wasn't up to standards as far as I wanted to go, but anyway, got that all adjusted, and I prepped the floor, prepped the shower, and tiled both of these. Okay, that's what I did on this project. Client handled everything else from what you see here forward. So this shower was about a 3x5 shower. As you could see, it had white beveled subway style tile. You can see those two corner shelves. Those are made by Sluter. Really nice shelves there. They're aluminum. And then we had a nice Flow FX drain there with their grate. And we have a porcelain basket weave tile on the shower floor with a marble. Actually, no, they had a glass top on the top of the curb there, but anyway, it's just a solid surface curb top piece. I used a field tile on the front and back, and this is what the drywall looks like, all sanded, ready to go for painting and so on. So that was the scope of this project. I did this in the winter of 2023, and I'll give you the overview of what it took and what the client invested right now. So I had a total of 18 days on this project, a total hours of 111.75. The total investment to the client that paid me and my company was $12,250. So when I broke it down after the materials, and I did have leftover materials, I always have like a small stock of materials in my trailer. So the materials were definitely more than this, but I didn't have to spend much at the time to buy more material. I just had a stock of materials in my trailer, my work trailer. But anyway, after materials and all that stuff, and if I break it down by the hour for my labor as an owner operator, and this is what the business took in, the top line revenue. Like once I take the taxes and all my overhead, I make very little of this total hourly rate that actually goes into my profit. But the total gross for this job, the total revenue was 100. If I break it down by the hour, was 105 per hour. If I break it down by the hour, so that's the total amount after materials. Divide 111.75. Then if we break it down by the total of 18 days after materials, I made $654 per day. So by the day, it was definitely way below standards. By the hour, it was about average, but definitely needs to be more than that, at least at the time of this recording. But that's what this client invested at the time. So moving forward in 2023, if you are listening to this at any time in the future, this is what this client invested at the time. Prices will always vary up and down depending on how the market's doing, how my business is doing, things like that. Usually my prices are going to go up. They're really going to go down. It really depends how things are going with my business. But this is just, I give you an idea, a ballpark idea of what this job will take and what the client invested, at least at this time, again, which was in winter 2023. And this client was located in central New Jersey in the Woodbridge area. So I service pretty much central New Jersey. This is one of the areas I service, but I'm pretty much all over the place within. I try to stay within like a 30-40 mile radius, but ideally like a 10 to 20 is where I'm aiming, but I do go further for clients when needed. So I hope this video helped you out, give you an idea of what an investment like this would cost to do in your bathroom, to do a nice walk-in shower with added drywall work when you hire me or someone like me as an owner operator in a tile and bath contracting company. Again, this is Donnie D. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Signing off.